everyone, this is Kushi from Nirupam's Future Mind, wishing all of you a very happy Independence Day.
Jana Gana Mana adinayaka jaye Bharath tata Vanjavu Sindhu Gujarata Maratha Davira
प्यारा प्यारा मेरा देश, सजा सवारा मेरा देश, दुनिया जिस पर गर्व करे, नयन सितारा मेरा देश, चांदी सोना मेरा देश, सवा सलोना मेरा देश, सूरज जैसे अलौकिक सुख का कोना मेरा देश, फूलों वाला मेरा देश, झूलों वाला मेरा देश, गंगा जमुना की माला का फूलों वाला मेरा देश। आगे जाए मेरा देश, नित मुस्काए मेरा देश, इतिहासों में बढ़ चढ़कर नाम लिखवाए मेरा देश।
Happy Independence Day! This is Ananya from Nirupam Future Minds here to tell you the importance of Independence Day. As a citizen of India, we should not consider the Independence Day only by hosting the flag and distributing sweets. The Independence Day should not be taken as granted, as people often forget the real meaning of celebrating the Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day to tribute to our freedom fighters who had sacrificed their lives to get freedom from Britishers. The hosting of flag in every house is popular on the day of independence. Thank you and happy Independence Day to everyone.
Happy Independence Day! So this is Yujita Parmar from Nirupam's Future Mind English. So today I will sing a song. ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन.
I am Varshini on the occasion of Independence Day. Independence Day. Every year we all celebrate Independence Day on 15th August with joyful and enthusiasm. Independence Day. We got this independence due to the hard work and sacrifices of great freedom fighters. At last, India is freed from this British government. So, I wish everyone a very happy Independence Day. Mera Bharath mahaan. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hello everyone and sir. My name is Lakshita. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Lal Bahadur Shastri. This is a slogan that awakes the innermost sad times of Jai Hindustan in the nearest of Indians, even in today's era, acknowledging the efforts of our soldiers and farmers. This slogan gave a new dimension to our freedom struggle. Happy Independence Day!
So today I am going to tell you about Jallianwala Bagh. A group of people were protesting against the British. So when they were doing this, there was a troop of the British who were passing by the Golden Temple and saw these people protesting. So the general was really angry and he asked this troop to fire. And many people died in this incident. And so like that, so on this Independence Day, the British left India. So from this time, India has a democratic government and its own constitution.
Independence Day and independence is not a thing. It cannot be seen. It can only be felt. And never forget the heroes who sacrificed their lives to give for us independence. Let all of us
pledge on this Independence Day to live for India till the last breath of our life. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
Hi friends, this is Mehul telling you about Independence Day. So, on this day, India got freedom at midnight of 15th August 1947. Vande Mataram.